Oh man, I really love the show Chicken Nugget. 4? What? I'm so mad that I even had to bring handcuffs. Oh no. You caused a very bad thing. What I do? Well, you were going to Chicken Nugget's channel and hacking into it and saying curse and racist words. What? Yeah, so apparently I'm gonna have to put you in handcuffs.
Beep, beep,
Alex, no, I'm putting you in handcuffs. Done. Alex, why do I need to do this? Well, you're in trouble. That doesn't mean put me in handcuffs. Look, they even fall off. See, look. What the X? There you go, 4. Now we're gonna be all together now. That's stupid! All because of a Chicken Nugget Shorts video?
Hey,
Yes.
it's me, Liv is screaming.
Shut up!
Aww.
Come on. They even came off. Yeah, they're not good. But I know exactly what to do.
I did not play this. I promise, I did not.
Yeah, right. Axe! I can't put on these handcuffs. You know what? Screw these handcuffs. They don't work. What the? Well, anyway, you're still in trouble. Why? Get that computer out of here. Anyway, why? 4, that was like wrong of you. Like really wrong.
Did you notice that show?
Shut up!
Oh.
Anyways. X, come on. Well, that was ridiculous. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Whoa, 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 what's going on here? What's going on here? What the? Oh! Oh no. Okay. Gotta put this back on. Put these back on.
Sorry about that. Sleepy today.
Look, I'm done. Oh, handcuffs. Oh, I want to put them on.
You don't even know how to put them on.
Shut up. Oh man, I'm gonna take them off. They're stuck. Oh no. Oh, Pokemon. Oh no. Oh crap. Oh no. What are you doing? What? What did you do? We put you guys in handcuffs. Now you're gonna be stuck together. Oh no. I don't like this at all. Oh. This is ridiculous. You know what? I'm done. I'm done with this. Just come right off.
Pikachu.
Well, 4, that means it's your turn. Oh my god! Fine. Guess I'll put... Great. Look at that. This thing's even gonna stay on. What the hell are you doing?
That was supposed to be electric shock.
Oh, shut up.
Pika, pika.
Alright, there. Now we're gonna be together.
Pika, pika.
I'm gonna go sleep. Good night.
Pika.
Ouch! What'd you do? You need to stop. Ouch! Pikachu. Oh, Elmo! Yes! I need you to eat this Pikachu. Oh, no problem! I have no reason. I'm gonna eat the Elmo. Weird. Anyways, Pikachu, we're gonna be all together now. I'm just gonna run! Oh, dang it, I guess I won't put you in handcuffs anymore. There we go, now they should stay on more. There, now they should stay on better. I know what to do. Wait a minute. Did Pikachu blinked? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is getting... okay. I think Pokemon started to get a little creepy, man. It's gonna blink. Boom, boom, boom. I can't wait to F Pikachu. You don't. If you dare use Thunder Shock, oh, I just swear if you do it. Oh, I swear if you're gonna use Thunderbolt on me.
What about Iron Tail?
Shut up! Look, I swear if you use Iron Tail. I swear on Satan's grave if you use Iron Tail. Or Thunderbolt. You're dumb. You're fat. You're an idiot, and you don't even know math. Don't you dare! Don't you dare do that to me again. Wait a minute. Okay, here's your punishment. Liz Little Piggy went to the market. Liz Little Piggy stayed home. And Liz Little Piggy went to play soccer. And Liz Little Piggy did trap! My gosh.
What did you do to Pikachu?
No more handcuffs for one night.
What did you do to Pikachu?
I Frankensteined him.
What the even mean? Did you make him turn to a Frankenstein?
No.
But why did you say Frankenstein? What is this? Oh, is that me? What's that say? Oh.
Ouch.
Oh. Looks like it attacked you.
Oh, yellow eggplant man with a zigzag mouth.
What?
It's the purple. It's a purple eggplant man and yellow guy with zigzag mouth.
It's teal.
No, it turns out it's not a yellow
pineapple.
It's not a yellow guy with zigzag mouth. It turns out he's actually a booger.
What? No, he's a rock.
No wonder why he reminded me of a rock.
Wait, Rocky confirmed?
So I guess this is what he sounds like. Hello guys, my name is Yellow Man with Zigzag Mouth, and I am an idiot. I don't even exist. Alright, now, all I gotta do is just find Ash or Floette, and then they're gonna be done. What if I put Floette in handcuffs? I'll do that right now!
Hi, I am Crystal Boy.
Shut up!
Alright.
Four, what are you doing? What are you doing with that Floette? I'm putting it in handcuffs. Don't you dare. Four, you better stop that! Four, I cannot believe you just handcuffed Floette. What the? Oh no! What? Oh no, no! Oh no, 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 no! That was. Look! She broke him! Oh, oh my god! Shut up! Shut up! Shut up, fat, stupid, skank, idiot! Ow! Don't you say that! Jeez! Broke my handcuffs. Now they're really broken.
Wait, what?
Well, guys, all the time we have for today. See you around.
Wanna eat them carrots?
Shut up.